philosophical thought for the day. We are nowhere.
Listen, Linda,
I'm next to a street with your dog.
She's back tied to a tree.
I'm just making sure she doesn't send it.
We are in Denver, Colorado. We got this 2-phone action. We are cooking. We've got our dogs sitting here. So Barry's back tied. You can see it right there. We got food. Oh, funny thing. Look at this tripod action over here. Babe, why don't you tell us about our tripod?
I lost it. It's gone forever. Well, no, it's not. It's at Nana's.
I put it strategically on top of a bag that we needed to grab. And I didn't even think to check in the garage to make sure everything was packed because, you know, Adrian does good most of the time.
I also want to point out the reason that...
Let's hear this.
This isn't even about, you're right. You're absolutely right. I should pay more attention. Because the reason that our dogs can be off leash at kind of a busy park, yeah, there's a lot going on. But the reason that we have the freedom to clip our dogs off leash and have control over them is because they are e-collar trained, which I'm sure will get brought up by people who are uneducated about e-collars. And
if we don't have control, we are responsible. We utilize flex leads, we utilize long lines, we utilize back ties, and we utilize crates.
Crates are much safer in the car.
Yeah.
If you get hit by another vehicle and they're in a rough-land kennel, they have a much better chance of survival in that than if they're loose.
And a dog walking by.
Place. He really loves.
Look at a good dog on a prong collar.
It's a problem. So I cooked eggs, bacon. Also, this is bacon on a budget. Applewood smoked bacon, ends and pieces. It's like $7 cheaper than buying strips, and you get way more.
Okay, but can I mention, we don't buy it for the budget. I mean, yeah, sure, it's nice that it's more cheaper.
I always buy on the budget.
She does, but I buy it for convenience. It's already cut up. We're usually like putting it in with a scramble or like making some type of one-pot dish, and so you can just throw up in the pieces. That's why I like it.
Looking at the beautiful mountains in the
background. Do we have the tortillas?
They should be in there. They're not in there? Whoopsie.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, everybody? We are in Glendale Springs, Colorado. It's about 45 degrees out, and we're gonna cook some dinner. We found this beautiful parking lot, as you can see. Wow. We're in this beautiful place. There's mountains around this entire city. And we found this great parking lot because we did go up a mountain and it got really sketchy, so we turned around. So we have this cast iron that we use, and we have this little backpacking pot that we picked up from REI. It's been a nice little find. Tonight for dinner, because I'm an incredible cook, you can ask Dallas. We're
She is.
gonna have steak, a couple of really nice steaks, and sweet potatoes.
Spots.
Buttery steakhouse, delicious. Be generous, real generous with the buttery steakhouse, you know what I mean? Next, I need to peel these sweet potatoes. We don't have a peeler, so I'm just gonna use a knife. Do we have a peeler?
You've always just done the knife?
Yeah. I have 3 rolls of poop bags on me right now. 1, 2, 3. And that, everybody, is a nice, warm, Van, delicious, incredible, home-cooked meal. I forget why we're arguing.
We're arguing because you packed the car today and you either didn't, you just walked right over the tripod
No, I
and didn't
swear.
pack it. Or you just, in this little teeny van, you don't know where you put it. And
It's in
I
here
told
somewhere.
you need to be more mindful about packing and having spots for things to go. And you said,
And I said, that's what I said.